Hi, my name is David Duty, and I'm the author of Common Sense Commodities and Common Sense Options. And I'm talking to you today from my home in Boquete, Panama. I moved in here about 10 years ago. I started teaching people to trade back in 1997. Got the #1 rated course on the market on how to learn to trade. Common Sense Commodities. Like I said, I've also got an options course. And every morning I do webinars, live webinars with my students. They start at about 9 o'clock and go till 10:30 Central Standard Time, right after the markets open. I cover all the major markets, the grains, the energies, the indices, currencies, energies, etc. The meats, all the major markets. And we look at every market that's going on. I'm a very big fan of using the seasonals. I use different indicators. These are just a few that I'm using right now. Here's, as you can see, on corn. Corn is supposed to be bearish from July the 20th through August the 11th. And that's exactly what's happening here. And I'll probably be placing the trade tomorrow on corn. I've already been short corn, made some money on corn. This one happened to be rated 2.17, medium probabilities. Out of 5 years is 1-4 and lost 1. All right, all the different markets. You can see wheat coming down in here, the seasonal patterns of wheat that I've drawn out here. It's also supposed to be getting bearish from the 20th through August the 11th. Down here in the bottom, you can see some trades that I closed out today. The Japanese yen, we made $1,000 on the yen in 2 days, or actually 1 day. Put it on yesterday. We made $500 in copper. Copper, our stop came down. We were trailing stops, and we got stopped out on copper. So anyway, you get access to all the webinars that we're doing. I record all the webinars in case you can't be in the live event. So as a subscriber, you get access to the recorded webinars also. All right, I want to show you a little bit about the website. Here's the home page. And if you will fill in your first name here and your email address, I will send you a free Blips course. And that's a course I've sold for $100. And Blips are my key trading pattern. It's kind of like my, I don't know the right word, namesake, I guess, that I'm known for the Blips pattern. Once you see it, you'll be very, very impressed with Blips. And like I said, I'll send that to you for free. And I'll also get back with you and schedule a personal webinar with you if you'd like to do that, where we go into the room just like we are right now, look at charts, we'll get to know each other. You can ask me any kind of questions you want to about trading. And I'll talk to you a little bit about what you're doing, how you're trading, and see if what we do makes a match. Here's Boquete. It's 3,600 foot elevation up in coffee plantations. Our temperatures are pretty constant year round. They go from about 75 during the day down to about 64 at night, and it is absolutely beautiful. All right, go over here and look at the testimonial page. Also, you can check it out on Amazon.com if you want to. Common Sense Commodities and Common Sense Options. Both courses have 5-star ratings. Go back to the home training. We have different trainings under here, different products, commodities course, options course, a package. We have software that's available, which I'll show you the software that we use, which is the Track and Trade Live software. It's the only software that I will use. Calendars, like I said, I was showing you the calendars a while ago. Here you can try out the calendars for free. Here's a video that shows you a little bit more about the calendars. And what's so important about the calendars are that we not only record the webinars and trade alerts, like today, here's the Japanese yen. I made $1,000 on that. You can go directly into here. All right, here's the notes came up, stocks closed, little change to earnings, Fed meeting, etc. All right, so here's the Japanese yen trade that I put on. You can click on one of the charts and it'll open up and tell you exactly where my stops and everything else were, and how we got out of that, when we got out of it, etc. And you'll have access to my entire trading journal. And my trading journal I keep in Evernote. As a subscriber, you'll have access to that. As you can see, here's all the seasonal patterns. Here's July trades. Here's June trades. Here's trades that we've done this month. We've had a pretty good month so far. And you will have access to my entire trading journal. So you can actually go in and see my thought process behind every trade that I place and what's going on those. And that is in Evernote. Evernote is a free product. If you don't already have that, you really should get. It's a great product. Anyway, that doesn't cost you anything. The calendar program that I was showing you doesn't cost anything either. And you'll have instant notifications of all the economic reports and USDA reports that come out. And you'll have those notifications by email in advance. All right, so if it's an important meeting like a FOMAC meeting, you'll get notification the day before and a few hours before that meeting, just to let you know that that meeting is coming out. It could greatly affect your trades. Here's one coming out on Friday, economic cost index report, gross domestic products report coming out, and again, non-farm payroll, big report. And then you have seasonals, grain crushings coming out Monday, I'm sorry, fats and crude, cotton consumption. When we have seasonal trades, and I've got to put some in here, we've got some coming up later this week. Watch list are items that I'm watching. I don't have any on the watch list right now, and special events that we have scheduled. All right. Now, I also want to show you another product that we're using and the subscribers are using. It's called Slack, and that's SLACK. And I have my own Slack channel. And as you can see in here, these channels we have for Autopilot, which is part of the software. Here's closed positions. Here's economic reports that are coming out, educational materials, July seasonals that are coming out. It tells you when the seasonal patterns, what to expect. During that period of time, we have news events. Here's a place for questions, Slack tips on how to use Slack if you need it, special events that we have. Team CCS or CSC is just a general chat area. If people have questions, here's my trade alerts, as you can see here, that came out. Here's live October Aussie dollar today. I put a trade in on the Aussie dollar. Here is a second trade for live cattle. It tells you a little bit about it. You can click on this and it'll open the chart, or you can go directly into the trading journal in Evernote and you can see that. All right, so you have plenty of access to everything that I'm doing. And what I like about Slack is these are instant. So the moment I type something in here, it immediately appears on your smartphone. It'll appear in your email, and instant notification will pop up in your system tray. So you never miss a trade. All right, and you can see that all kinds of different channels that we have in here, and we're adding channels as we go along. One of the things I'm going to be doing, I'm going to have some of my top students that are going to be having their own channel, and they'll be able to post trades and markets that they're looking at. Doesn't mean that you have to take their trades, but you can at least see what they're looking at. All right. Here's an example again of the Aussie dollar for today and what happened there. Click on the chart. Chart will expand. I got an intercept order on that coming out for the Aussie. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can scroll down here at the bottom, and you can see my email address is david@davidduty.com. My phone number is 850-417-7230, and that's a USA phone number, and it will ring me right here in Panama. I answer my own telephones, reply to my own emails. If you call and I happen not to answer, it may be because I'm on the phone, I'm not here. Please leave a message. If you don't leave a message, I don't return the call. All right. So anyway, I appreciate you taking some time today to see a little bit about what we're doing. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.